Number 10, Nekopara 2020. Kasho Minaduki is son of a long line of Japanese confection makers, moved out to open his own patisserie. When unpacking his stuff, Kasho found two of the cat girls Nako that his family had been raising hiding in the box. Coca-Cola and Vanilla. He tried to send them back initially, but they begged and pledged until he gave in. Now they run La Soleil together. They spend some great time with the help of Sigure, sister of Kasho, and other cat girls in their family. Azuki, Maple, Cinnamon, Coconut. One day, Coca-Cola goes out to run some errand. She meets a kitten. The story starts with their encounter. Number 9, Princess Connect Redive 2020. In the continent of Asteria, a man falls from the sky, possessing no memories other than his name Yuki. An elf named Kokoro finds him, introducing herself as his guide in the world they are about to traverse. With Kokoro guidance, Yuki is able to learn how this world works, from battling monsters to handling currency. To earn money for their journey, Yuki and Kokoro decide to go to a nearby guild association to accept a simple request. In their expedition, they meet Pecorine, a somewhat gluttonous but charming girl skilled in battle. The next day, they also meet Karail, a cat girl specializing in magic. Number 8, Plunderer 2020. Alicia is a world governed by count, numbers engraved on a person's body, representing any number related to their life. These counts determine a person's social status and power in Alicia. If a count reaches 0, the person is sent to the abysses, a place where rumored to be worse than death. Hina, a traveler whose count is based on the distance she travels, witnesses her mother get dragged down into the abysses. Determined to fulfill her mother's last wish, she sets off on a journey in search of the legendary Aces, hero of the war that happened 3 years and 30 years ago, bearing a white star next to their count. While wandering around, Hina encounters Lilich Beth, a mysterious marksman with negative count, and Nana, the owner of a tavern. In the midst of having a good time, Hina is tricked into a battle with military soldier. However, despite his negative count, Lichit rescues Hina and reveals that he is another count, one with a white star, one of legendary age. Number 7, Tenchi Mio Rukai 5th season 2020. 17-year-old Tenchi Masaki grew up hearing stories about how his ancestor used a sword to seal a demon inside a cave 700 years ago. When curiosity gets the better of him, Tenchi goes to the cave and stumbles across the sword from the legend, thinking that the story is nothing more than a fairy tale. He removes the blade and inadvertently releases the demon, who turns out to be a space pirate named Ryoko Hakube. Furious about being trapped for so long, she attacks Tenchi, but he is able to repel her with the sword. Awakening his inner power after seeing this, Ryoko takes an interest in her unlikely savior and decided to crash at his place. Number 6, The Eighth Sun Are You Kidding Me 2020. Waking up in a new world, 25-year-old Shingo Ichimona realizes that he is in the body of a 6-year-old, retaining memories of his stressful life working at a film company. Shingo learns that the person he is occupying is Vandalin von Bano Baymaster, the eighth son of a poor noble family living in the countryside. Awakened to his bizarre situation, Vandalin strives to change his financial and social status for the better. His newly discovered great magical aptitude may prove to be just what he needs to achieve that goal. Number 5, Sacho Battle no Jikan Deshu 2020. Long ago, a goddess descended from heaven and blazed the desolate land of Getipia. As a result, gigantic gates appeared, leading to dungeons abundant in Kirakuri, crystals containing the energy needed for the foundation of the world. This leads to the formation of various companies of adventurers who would harvest Kirakuri from the dungeons. Following his father's disappearance inside one of the biggest gates in Getipia, Minato is urged by his childhood friend Yutoria to become the president of his father's treasure hunting company, the Kibao Company. He reluctantly agrees and meets with the other employees, the priest Makato, the soldier Akari, and the accountant guide. Thus, Makato begins his tenure as president as he and his comrade strive to fulfill various missions and other assorted tasks in order to keep their small company alive. They will uncover the mystery behind their former leader's sudden departure. Number 4, Toshugo Momo, 2nd season 2020. In Japanese folklore, Tashuko Mogami is an object that has gained a soul, becoming alive and self-aware. There are two types of Tashugogami: the mature Tashugomomo, who have developed through a long years of harmony with their owners, and the aberrant Amasogi, premature spirits that are only born to grant the destructive wishes of certain people. Kazuya Kagagami has never gone without his mother Obai after her death. Be it at home or school, he keeps it safe with him all time. One day he nearly loses his life when a big Amasogi attacks him. When all seems to be over, his treasure Obai defends him, transformed into a beautiful girl. She introduces herself Kriya, a Tashugo Momo owned by Kazuya's mother. Number 3. Strike the Blood 4th Season 2020. Koza Tasuki deals as an ordinary high school student in the demon districts of Itogami Island come to an abrupt end after a fateful encounter leaves him with the remarkable abilities of a vampire. It is not long before he is thrust into the center of attention when it is discovered that he is the fourth promogenitor, an immersively powerful vampire who most considered to a merely a legend. Fearing Kojo's destructive potential, the Lion King organization sends an apprentice sword shaman, Yukina Himeragi, to monitor, and should he become a threat, kill the boy, deemed the world's most powerful vampire. Forced together by circumstances, the two form an unlikely alliance as Kozo comes to terms with his abilities, and they both struggle to protect the city from the various emerging chaotic forces. Number 2. Sword Art Online Allegation War of Underworld 2nd Season 2020. Despite the defeat of Cornelia, the pontifex of the Exum Church, things have not seemed to be calmed down yet. Upon contacting the real world, Kazuto, Kirito Kirigaya, finds out the ocean turtle, a mega float controlled by Wrath, was raided. Due to sudden short circuit caused by the raiders, Kirito fluctuates is damaged, leaving him coma state. Feeling insecure about the people at the Exum Church, Alice brings the unconscious Kirito back to their hometown, Roulette Village. Disregarding her banishment due to an unabsorbed crime, now Alice is living an ordinary and peaceful life close by the village, wishing for Kirito to wake up. However, tragedy strikes when Alice notices that the Dark Territory has already started to invade the human empire. Resuming her previous allies, Alice sensitized 30. She promised to defeat the Dark Territory in order to defend the world that Kirito and Yu-Gi-Oh work hard to protect. Number 1. The Misfit of Demon King Academy 2020. This will release on 4 July 2020. After 2000 years has passed, the ruthless Demon Lord has just been reincarnated, but his aptitude as an academy for nourishing candidate for Demon Lord is inept. Having the capability to destroy humans, elementals and gods, after a long period of countless wars and strife, Arnos, the Demon Lord, becomes sick and tired of all that and long for a peaceful world. So he decided to reincarnate to the future. However, what awaited him after his reincarnation is a world too used to peace that his descendant became too weak due to an huge weakening in magical power. I hope friends all of you enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed this video then please show your love by likes and comments. And I'm uploading video daily, so if you don't want to miss any of my video, be sure to subscribe our channel and press the notification bell icon. Thank you so much friend. See you in the next video.
Juliet, and now it's lying on the staircase, begging you please don't go.